Give a hand for BitJR. Thanks,
Right,
everybody.
thank you. Thank you so much. I'm here again. I'm Fundisi, teacher. I like that word so much because in my language, teacher means mpunzisi. So when I got it from you, mpunzisi, I was like, oh, okay, it sounds similar like that. And as a teacher, I'm very passionate about education. I believe as Bitcoin Junior Academy and Space, we stand at the intersection between education and innovation. We believe that Bitcoin is not just currency. As our community, we believe, like I mentioned when I was here, we believe Bitcoin is a space where children can learn financial literacy, which I feel is very important. Kids get excited when they learn about money, and it's very, very important to us. As you can see from our introduction there, welcome to our academy, BitJR. If you like, you can finish it and say BitJR, and it's all right like that. BitJR Academy and Space is a non-profit Bitcoin initiative focused on Bitcoin education for kids, children, aged between 6 and 17, while actively building a kids' Bitcoin secular economy. Like I mentioned earlier, at the schools that where these children we teach them from, we've managed to onboard their tuck shops, so it's easy for them to actually transact in Bitcoin, and we're happy like that. The only challenge is that we do not have enough NFC cards, like I mentioned. So let me just go next. That's Zambia. That's Zambia, a country I'm coming from. From the graphics there, you're able to see the Victoria Falls. If you've never been to Victoria Falls, please do come to Victoria Falls, one of the natural wonders of the world. We're so proud as Zambians. We say Zambia kuchalo. So if this is live, I'm sure they're so happy to see me here. I'm an ambassador, so I'm acting like a tourism minister here. Zambia kuchalo. So that's Livingstone. Those are some of the activities that you can do when you come to Livingstone, and you can actually pay in Bitcoin. You can have Lion Walk in Bitcoin, Victoria Falls in Bitcoin. Everything can be arranged for you and pay in Bitcoin like that. We have tourism companies that accept Bitcoin in Livingstone. That's our focus, is education and, of course, building a secular economy. That's me there on your top right in charcoal gray at a school. That school is Rainbow. And down there, that's our space. Our focus is education. We really want the children to be educated because they are so enthusiastic to learn about money. We see it in their eyes. Our focus, of course, like I said, other than education, that's our kids' secular economy. That's one of our children buying ice cream at Sweet and Salty Cafe. Some of you have been to Livingstone. That's a famous shop. They accept Bitcoin proudly. And that's one of the markets where this man is smiling there on bottom left. That's Liberty Trading in the market, Dambwa Central Market, right in the busy market of Livingstone. We are able to accept Bitcoin. The children are excited there on our top right, able to purchase things. Like I mentioned, the only challenge that we have, transport. Sometimes we really want to take these children to every merchant so that they see. And there we go. Our goal to build Kids Hub. We want a center where our children are able to learn freely without any disturbances. Our transport is another challenge. We can't take so many kids at once. NFC card bought, Bitcoin Ikasi. They said I should see them. They should teach me one or two things about it. I'm excited for tomorrow. 120 kids every year. So far, so good. We've managed to enroll 30 kids for this term alone. And we'll probably start this term, probably 10th February. That's our team. That's me on your left. On my left as well. And that's our founder in the middle, Dr. Walu. I call her Dr. Walu Sungu Nyachikanda. And that's Cassandra, the three of us. and I've been sent to come here, so I'm privileged. Special thanks to Mr. Heyman. Very happy. Thank you so much for giving me this opportunity. And you can follow us on X and Nostra. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.